Sunshine on my shoulders, make you happy. Old Spraying John there.
MBA is sponsored in part by Loring Outdoors and viewers like you.
If you're new here, consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell to be notified of uploads of my live streaming. Today is freshening day. We're going to go through the whole 9 yards of the day. It may have all kinds of fur, may have all kinds of nothing. Like Christmas every day. So, hit that notification bell to be notified of my uploads of my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. But this is day in the life in the hills, on the ridge tops, and down the hollers of Kentucky on the Trapline. Stay with me. Fact is, coyotes are insulting. You gotta sit out here, walk right by it, took a big dump, keep on going. Stay with me, we gotta freshen up sets. Bob. Coming right from my set too. Don't know. He apparently wasn't interested or something, but there's a bob right there somewhere. There's a coyote. Gosh, dang, that's a big bob right there, son. Dang, there's a coyote. So, they're in this area. I just gotta get their dang attention. I might set another trap here. Don't know. Stay with me. I just educated me a critter. Me, yes, I'd say it was a possum. I'd say. But we'll go up and do a reset. Freshen it up a little bit. While we're up here. It could have been a bob. I don't know. Get that back to it in the log. Let me show you. There's the trail. Dirt over right there. I'd say it's possum. Oh, rebed that. Freshen it up. Put me a fresh piece of meat down there. Dog food down the hole. And block it off a little bit with some boughs. Stay with me. Tighten it up just a little bit. They went across the log or the tree with the trap. It was going that way. So I'd say it was a possum. Because it's offset, a lot of times possum get out of them. Coons do too, but not so easy. But put a little hill forward. A little bit of Kentucky Trapper's secret sauce and a piece of fat meat down the hole. Kind of conceal it just a little bit. A little bit, not nothing major. You don't gotta go hog wild like people think you do sometimes. Just depends upon how much pressure you put or has been put in an area. But I definitely don't want the deer to get in it. Deer been traveling over there. I hope they remain traveling over there. I may have to cut me another bough and kind of put it up to deter them from coming down this way. They hop across that and get in that number 3 Duke. It's on like Donkey Kong up in here. Stay with me. Just want to give a shout out to Muskrat Outdoors for this idea. A lot of times we share ideas that we have. We think it's just common sense. A lot of times it's not so common to some folk, like me, for instance. But this is an awesome idea. Works perfect. Stay with me. Zippity doo dah. We're down here at the property now, so stay with me. Possum. Well, looky here, sunshine. Coyote up on a hill. Bingo connection. Stay with me. Get up there. Gotta be easy though. He's tore the world up. Stay with me. Now, if you'll remember past videos, he had to come down that hill and go by that tree. He had no choice. But I'll get him dispatched, get him out there. Another good day. They're still working this bait station. So I'm gonna get up there and get him took care of. Stay with me. Next coyote number 9. I have to look, count, make sure. I got it wrote down at home, but I'll show you where he come down. Stay with me. He had to come down right down by this tree. He had no choice. He had no choice. I left him no option. And when he started on that downswing of that hill, he's in full momentum, I'd say. Perfect catch, though. Perfect catch. But he ain't been there long. But he has chewed, mutilated, and wired, frayed that snare. So, let's get him out of here and get him down the hill. I've got a bunch of snares I've got to reset. But I know exactly where I'm going to reset this one. So. And I've got a bunch of brush over there. I'll reset one here and I'll go up the hill. I can see up the hill right there where they circled that tree right there. Right there where that little skinny tree is. And that's plenty enough to choke them out, trust me. It don't take much for a 7:30 seconds cam log. Let's get him out of there. That's it. You don't got to try a bunch of anchors. You don't got to do a whole lot of stuff. I'm learning. I could be wrong, but this makes, I don't know, 5 snared. I guess, I don't know. I'd have to go back and count. But this is my first year snaring, and I'm absolutely in love with it. But nevertheless, a little bit of fence more. overhead, pinch it off. I may do a video on how I do my snares. Don't know. But you can see, try to show you without showing him. He's just about got that snare in two right there. Got it, tore all to pieces. I'd never seen him if he hadn't made a sound, because he's up there on toward the flat. I usually glass it from a distance, but he's made a sound as soon as I got out of the side by side. I came on up and took care of him. I gotta get me some snares out. Trying to get them before they get into the bait pile. It's working, I guess. I don't know. I'm no professional. I'm learning. Thanks to some help from my friends. Built that back. I'm gonna leave it there. I'll go up here and set me another snare. Then come down here and set me another one. But you can see where they're coming off that bank. Right there. I'll dolly that up a little bit. They'll come around that tree. I'll have me a snare set up right there. I got one there. One down there on the pathway. Two over there. Two over there. Pretty much got it covered. Let's go check some traps. If you ask for it, you got it. Stay with me. It's about to get serious. Sunshine on my shoulders, make you happy. Oh, spraying John there. Here now, don't act like that. He's tore the world up. Look at that. Here now. Watch him. I need to get a good shot on him, because that is beautiful. I don't want to mess that fur up. Stay with me. Go out there and get a little bit of dirt. I would say freshen up this set, but I just don't think it can be freshened up. But that right there helped this set. I'll just rebed it and go on about my business. I can't smell nothing. And he sprayed. That's got me worried. Can't smell nothing. Don't tell me. Lord, don't tell me. I can't smell him. Smell him now. Yeah, I can smell. Man, he's pretty. God almighty. Can't smell it strong. I'm standing over top of him. He squirt plumb over to yonder. So, see what he got. Oh, he didn't get nothing. He worked on the bait, but I don't need to put no sin out here. Yeah, I can smell him now. I'm gonna whip me a couple sandwich bags, some gloves, dirt, wax dirt, all the goodies to reset. So stay with me. It's been a good day. If you'll remember, that's the tree. Coyotes, bobcat, and now skunk. Natural funnel sets like this what you look for. That's what I look for. Like this. Putting the trap here. There's no way to get in there. And there's nothing unusual to them. Let's go out there and do a reset on this. Tighten it up a little bit. Take it from there. Same song, second verse. I don't want to put no essence out, trust me. Burning my throat. I'm glad it is. I thought I couldn't smell it. Smell it now. It's got the world tore up here. Kyle to come down and try to figure out what's going on. And he's bomb puzzled. He'll never know that MB550 is there. I'm telling you, natural cubbies work. Not because I'm a professional at it. I just know if you can find these, if you scout your area and find an old log that's down, it's hollowed out, put your trap in front of it and put some bait back in the hole. One way in, no way out. I was commencing to smother. They say that old virus cause you to lose your sense of smell. I couldn't smell that skunk. There at the last, whoo, baby, I smelled him. Must have been upwind from him. Nevertheless, it's been a phenomenal day. Coyote and a snare and a old stinker and a MB550. Some resets, freshen things up. Got some weather coming. Got a lot of work to do. Got snares I got to prep up and get out. I know exactly where I'm going to put them. Got conibears coming. Beaver in sight. And permission to trap them. So, we're just a month in. So, plenty to do. And I appreciate you and all that you do for my little family and for my channel, for sticking it out with me. Means the world to me. It sure does. But I got work to do. I got to head home. This is Ron Smith, Mountain Bushcrafting Alliance. As always, go farther, stay longer. I'll catch you out here on the ridge somewhere. On the trail somewhere. In the shop somewhere. Thanks for watching.